Here is the Toyota Matrix. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now this child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not on the front doors. For now, let's get started with the left side door. Open the door and right over there is the switch. All we have to do is push the switch down to activate the feature, and that's it. Now it's activated. Let's try this out. I should still be able to open the door from outside. However, when I get on the inside, no matter what I do, I should not be able to open the door. Lock, unlock, doesn't matter. I cannot open. So what am I going to do right now? I'm just going to slide over here and open the door and get out because we haven't activated the feature yet. Open the left side door again, and to deactivate the feature, simply push the switch up the original position, and that's it. Now it's deactivated. Let's try this out. I can open from outside. And now on the inside, when it's in the lock position, I should not be able to open. In the unlock position though, I should be able to open. And yes, I can. Repeating the process for the right side door. Exact same process, same position of the switch. Just push it down to activate the feature. I can still open it from outside. However, when I get inside, I should not be able to open the door no matter what I do. But what am I going to do now? You know what it is. I'm just going to slide over here and open that door. So if you do have a child in the backseat, make sure you activate the feature on both the doors individually, because you don't want the child to accidentally just get out of the seat, slide over there to the other side and open the door and cause trouble. For now, let's just slide over here, open this door and get out. Now open the right side door, push that switch back up in the original position, push it up. Now the feature is deactivated. Close the door and I can still open it from outside. And on the inside, when it's in the lock position, I should not be able to open the door. The unlock position, I should be able to. And that's about it. Hope you found it useful.